Okay. Genesis. High speed pass should be about 70, I think. 2000 kV TP motor. I think it's like a 4074 or something. 2000 kV TP power, brand new 6S. Ooh. That's the end of it there, folks. We need to pull it in and check the temperature.